Alright, let's take a look at this Pancake vibrator motor. My first video I did, I was holding the unit and it was hard to hear the sounds it was making. So I'm going to do another video. I'm going to tape it down. There's a nice rubber cushion there. I guess if this was on your phone or on your person, that is what would be connected to the device, and as you can see, it doesn't move around it doesn't move around at all. Alright, enough with that. Let's get right to the video. I am going to tape this down so you can hear it vibrate against the acrylic glass. That is why I'm doing that. When I had it at 1.5 volts, it was plenty positive on this side. There's a little plus arrow. That would get your attention. 1.5 is, I don't think you need more than that, but here's 3. Here's 3. So 1.5 would do it. 3 is a real attention getter. And there's that part. I'm going to show you the reverse of it again. There's the rubber pad. There are the terminals. Let me see if I can get a little bit closer there so it focuses. Plus arrow on the left. That's it. Alright. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for being loyal members and checking out our newsletters.